Well, let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, Cyclone Alfred will impact most of the state.
Nakari, eventually rain will spread right down to the Victorian border, although flooding will mostly be contained to the north coast. Cyclone Alfred behaved as expected today, taking the predicted sharp turn towards the coast. Now, what's clearly visible on the satellite is the thickest cloud is to the south of the eye, a feature which could lead to the heaviest rain falling in New South Wales and not Queensland. Rain on the north coast will peak through Thursday and Friday before rain spreads south across much of the inland this weekend. Current modelling shows an average fall of nearly 50 millimetres for many central and southern districts. However, it's still unclear how much rain will fall in Sydney, while totals in the hundreds of millimetres are a certainty on the north coast. Fresh southeasterly winds off the Tasman brought a cloudy and showery day to Sydney. A low of 20 and a high of 27 were both 2 degrees above the average. The statewide minimums were up to 6 above normal in the northwest, Tibooburra 23, while today's highs were up to 8 above in the west. Wilcannia and Burke hit 40 degrees. On the satellite then, well, cloud from Alfred is bringing some showers already to our east. Now, the Barrington Tops has already received more than 100 millimetres since 9 a.m. yesterday. On the chart tomorrow, rain will increase further along the north coast as Alfred approaches from the east. Around the country, rain and wind increasing in Brisbane. Warm and sunny, though, for Perth, Melbourne and Adelaide. Now, for the northeast tomorrow, windy with rain and possible thunderstorms for the mid-north coast and the northern rivers. There's a high chance of showers for the Hunter and the Ranges. For the southeast, a medium chance of showers for the Illawarra and a mostly dry day elsewhere. Further inland, it's looking dry west of the Divide. Still hot, maximums heading for the mid-30s in most towns. Now, on the waters, we'll have gales for the north coast with seas and swells exceeding 4 metres off the mid-north coast and the northern rivers. Winds not quite so strong further south. For Sydney, partly cloudy with a high chance of showers. They're more likely in the morning. Southeasterly winds up to 25 kilometres per hour. Temperature range of 20 to 27 for the city, tops of 25 on the coast and highs up to 28 degrees across the west. Now, the sun will rise at 6:44 and set just before 7:30 p.m. And ahead for Sydney, well, there's not much change in the weather from day to day due to the ongoing southeasterly winds. We'll have a shower or two on Thursday, Friday and Saturday, highs of between 26 to 27 degrees. Some heavier showers are possible in Sydney on Sunday, but that depends on the movement of Cyclone Alfred after it hits the coast. But regardless, it looks like some showers will continue into the early part of next week. Nakari.
Thanks, Tom. Well, that's all from ABC News for now. For more tonight, you can find the latest both on our website and on the ABC News app. Sarah Ferguson is here now with 7:30.